Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the new outdoor Bluetooth speaker announced by Xiaomi in India. So this is a Mi outdoor Bluetooth speaker which is having enhanced bass performance with HD sound, and this is priced 1399 in India, and you can get it from mi.com, then official Mi store in India. So we're going to do first the unboxing. We'll show you the sound output, what are functions it has. So we're going to test out the sound quality as well. So you can see that IPX5 waterproof, 20 hours of playback time, and works with voice assistant, and you can see that enhanced bass with HD sound is what the company claims. And let's see the back the box package. So we have all the specifications mentioned. It's a 5-watt speaker, and this has 210 grams in size. The speaker diameter, everything is mentioned here. Bluetooth 5.0, the Bluetooth profiles, wireless range is 10 meters. Playback time is 20 hours of continuous playback at 80% volume. Again, this might vary user to user. And maximum output power is 5 watt, and battery capacity is 2000 mAh, and it has 5 volt 1 hour charging. So this is the charging port is micro USB. So that's the specifications of the Bluetooth speaker. Now let's unbox this. So we just open this box package. So there you go. You can see the Bluetooth speaker. So we'll just take this out. So you get a charging cable inside this. So this is a standard micro USB charging cable. You also get a manual here. So let's see what is mentioned in the manual. So you can see all the ports mentioned here, the volume up and down key, indicator, then play and pause button, charging, turning off, automatic connection, all those things are mentioned here. You can also see that you can answer calls using this. Press and hold for 2 seconds is turning off the speaker. Call mode, answer end by just pressing the button. Press and hold 2 seconds for rejecting the call. Then wake up voice assistant using just double tapping on this button. So volume up and down is also there. You can also go to the next track by press and hold the volume button for 2 seconds. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the speaker now. So this is the Mi outdoor Bluetooth speaker, the 5-watt speaker, and you can see that it has a cloth-like finishing here, which does give a good feel to the Bluetooth speaker. You also get a lanyard here. Mi branding is there. You can see that there is a Mi branding, and you can just this is actually stretchable one, which does give a good feel altogether. Now at the bottom you can see that there is a charging port. So we'll just open this port. Since it is IPX5, you can see that this is kind of sealed. So we have the charging port and the 3.5mm audio jack is also included. So you need to just press it, and we have the power button and the buttons, the play pause button to accept calls, for voice assistant, and a lot more. So we have the volume up and down key here. This is for next track as well. So that's how the speaker works. Bottom we have this Mi branding as well. So you can see a raised finishing here to give a good grip for the Bluetooth speaker. Now let's power this on.
Power on. Pairing.
So now we'll just connect this to a smartphone. So now we paired this Bluetooth speaker. We'll just play a sound track from our So that's how you can pause. So you can just skip to the next track by pressing and holding this button, skip to the previous track by pressing and holding this button for 2 seconds. Then we have the option to take calls. If you get a call, you can accept it using this button. This is the power and on and off button. So this Bluetooth speaker also has voice assistant feature, so we'll just test that out as well. What is the temperature today?
In Ernakulam today, expect a high of 32 and a low of 23.
When is India's next test match?
India's next match is on Friday at 4 am, where they will play New Zealand.
So that's how it works. So you can use the voice assistant as well. Now we have just tested the sound quality as well. We just play it once again in case you want to see it here. So we cannot play other tracks because of the copyright issues, so that's why we have played from the YouTube's audio library. Now one thing what you can notice is that the bass performance is pretty impressive, as the name indicates, enhanced bass with HD sound. So the bass performance is definitely good. So this is an outdoor speaker, so it's kind of suited for small parties. You're conducting outdoor. It should be quite good enough because the sound output is definitely good. The bass performance is also good. It is kind of definitely a portable speaker for a small outdoor parties, so that should be able to perform pretty well. And it has 20 hours of playback and IPX5 water resistant, and it also has the ability to take calls, works with voice assistant, and the sound output is again good. So this is the Mi outdoor Bluetooth speaker with enhanced bass and HD sound, which is priced 1399 in India and available for purchase from mi.com. So we'll share the link in the description of this video. So that was a quick test and unboxing of the Mi outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.